Hi everyone, you can tell from the title, this is my Christmas present from Nails of Interest. If you don't know who Nails of Interest is, I will leave her link down below. You should know who she is. She is absolutely lovely. Oh, she is so nice. She really is a lovely lady. Now, I wasn't expecting anything at all, so I was really surprised when it turned up. I was like, what is this? So I thought I would open it with you guys, just because it's nice to sort of, you know, open presents together. So this is how it come packaged. It come packaged in this big bag. I can't even fit it underneath. So this is a little card thing that came with it. So I call it NOI. No, for Nails of Interest. Always call her NOI. Always have done. So it's a really pretty card thing. So the bag is really big. So let's see if I can I just slide it out? No. So let's open it. Oh, and it's in a cardboard box. So I can't even guess what it is. Right, let's have a look now. Ah, okay. So open it from this end. So let's have a look. Oh, that's a clue. Oh, it's another stand thing. Oh, this is so cool. I really needed another one. Sorry for the rattling. I really needed another one, and it's one of the like arm ones. Hopefully you'll be able to tell what I'm talking about. So yeah, so that bit slots in, and then you put your phone on this end. Wow, I really needed another one of them. So this is really cool, really heavy duty as well. Wow, thank you so much. How did you know? How did you know I needed another one? So these are really good, really good. Sorry, I'm just unwinding it. So yeah, so that bit would go on your table, and then the arm slots into, just in case you haven't seen one before, then the arm slots into that bit there, and then you can like have it straight out or slightly bent. So yeah, I really do like these ones. I really do. But yeah, as I said, I really needed a new one. So thank you so much. Wow, it's even got a rubber bit to it. Oh, and then this is the holder bit you can put your phone into. You can buy different ones if you kind of record with your tablet thing. But yeah, very cool. I like it. So then that would go on there, and then your phone would go on there, and then you extend it over your desk. So then you're free to sort of like move around and do what you need to do without having one of the tripods in the way. Because when I first started, I did have a tripod. Ages and ages ago, yeah, I had a tripod. Well, thank you so much. Wow, this is amazing. Thank you so much. Oh, I'm excited to get it all set up now. Wow, thank you so much. It's really thoughtful of you. Thank you. Oh. Well, if you're not subscribed to Nails of Interest, please head over and check out her channel and subscribe to her. She will be back very soon. And don't forget to go over to Instagram and follow her over there as well. She does, her channel is very much like mine. It's a mix of all different stuff. So yeah, don't forget to check her out. I'm sure she'll be floating around in the comments anyway. So thank you so much, and I hope you're having a lovely day, and I hope you're feeling a bit better now. And yeah, thank you everybody so much for watching today. And yeah, hopefully I will see you in the next video, because I do have some more I do have another present to open. Okay, I will speak to you all soon. Thank you so much for watching. And yeah, until next time, take care. Bye. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So yes, me again. So I am opening up my Christmas presents. So this one is from Girlienails, so Girlienails66. If you don't know who she is, I will leave her link down below. Head over and check her out. She is another lovely, lovely lady. So I have taken off the shipping label because it had her address on. I'm sure she doesn't want me to share her address with everybody. Who knows, maybe she does. But I've taken it off anyway. So I will just continue just to open it. She says, I will get there. There's lots of sellotape. Oh, come on. Okay, we're in. We are in. Okie dokie. So let's have a little look, shall we? Okay. Open it the right way. Ah, and we get streamer things. Oh. Okay. Okay. Oh, look at that. That is nice. It's plastic, but I really, really like that. So we have one, and we have some smaller ones. Like these I can put in my pictures. How pretty are they? There's loads in here. If I just get just a few out, not all of them. Otherwise we're going to be here for a very long time. So yeah, I can use these in my pictures, which is really, really handy. There's loads in there, all different sizes. So that's really handy. What else is in here? Okay, so we have these little, I love these little balls. They are so cute. So these are little stars. How cute are they? Let's move these over just a little bit. So we have them also in green and the iridescent, orange iridescent as well. And we've got like the outline and the inner bit as well. Thank you so much. Oh, we have a very, very hot pink. And a yellow. They are cute. Look at these little balls. How cute are they? And we have a white one. Yeah, white iridescent. So we have the white one. And oh, we have a hollow one. Wow. Thank you so much. Oh, and we have some caviar beads. So we have a tube of silver. A tube of gold. Always need them two colors. Always, always, always. And we have some, I think they're like kind of like silver pieces. If you can hear that. So that's cool. I don't have any of them. And we have, oh, we have a lilac one to go with them. Oh, 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 now look. I cannot get this here. I can't believe you remembered this. I can't get here. I cannot get it here at all. So, yeah, she sends me it. Thank you so much for remembering. It's what I can use for the water decals and that. Amazing, such good stuff. It's so annoying that I can't get it here. I've looked and looked and looked, and when I have found some, it's so expensive. So yeah, thank you so much for that. And we have some of the gold to go with the silver ones. They're like little I'm not going to open it because knowing my luck, it will go everywhere. Knowing my luck, I know it will. It definitely will. I know it will. And we have a stamping plate with butterflies on. How nice is that? And you can layer them. She knows I love butterflies. Wow, that is awesome. Thank you so much. I love butterflies, absolutely love them. And these are some of them glass cuticle pusher things. I don't have any of these. I was looking at these. So yeah, so these, so yeah, that's really good. I like that. So yeah, so you can sanitize them, and she sent me a whole bunch. Thank you so much. I was looking at these. Stuck in the bag. So she sent me a whole bunch of different colours. And actually these are plastic ones, but they're sanitizable, which is really good. So yeah, she sent me a whole bunch. That is really useful, really useful. Thank you so much. Very pretty. They're not going to go back in there, are they? And then the pumpkin. She had this made, and we have some more gems in here as well. So yes, so she had this made, and it is so cool. How cool is that? That is so cool. I love it. So yeah, she had this made so I can use it for my pictures. How cool is that? That is so cool. And it's really sturdy. Wow. That is awesome. Isn't he cool? He is so cool. I love him. And there's some rings in this. So let's have a look. Shall we? She knows I like my rings too. Oh, look at this. We have a cute little butterfly. How cute is that? I like them colours, and it's a sizable one as well. So we have a blue butterfly, and we have a purple bow. Perfect size, and we have a pink flower. So cute. And this is, I'm assuming it's like a head of a tulip, but how cute is that? And that gold as well. Very nice. Thank you so much. And we have a rose. How cute. Really cute. And then the last thing is this one, which is a red flower. Wow, thank you so much. Wow, this is amazing. Wow, lots and lots of goodies. Oh, thank you. Oh, I've got some bling for my hands. I've got some bling for my pictures. I've got this bling for the nails as well. Oh, bling. It's Christmas after all. Wow, thank you so much. Wow, I love this as well. This is so cool. I love it. Love it. I love everything. Thank you so much. Oh, wow. I can't believe you sent me all this. Wow, thank you so much, and Merry Christmas. I do hope you are having a lovely day, and I'm sure I will speak to you later on or tomorrow. Depends how busy we both are, but I'm sure I will speak to you soon. And yeah, as I said, please head over and check out Girly Nails channel and her Instagram. Yep, her channel is very much like mine. She does do dips and things like that as well. So if you're interested in dip nails as well, you can head over to her. So yes, thank you. I love everything. Thank you so much. And thank you so much everybody for watching today, and yeah, don't forget to head over and check her out and subscribe to her channel, show her some love. And yeah, if you're not subscribed to me, please consider subscribing. And yeah, hopefully I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much everybody for watching, and Merry Christmas, and I will speak to you all soon. Okay, till then, take care. Bye.